technology that is built for your every sense. Acer Pure from Acer.
Now, the battle over the late industrialist Sunjay Kapur's massive inheritance has now reached the doors of the Delhi High Court, turning into a high-profile family legal saga. The case that's been filed by Karisma Kapur's children has been officially listed by the court for hearing. The High Court has issued notice on the plea and has directed all parties to file written submissions within a span of 2 weeks. The court has also asked Priya Kapur, who's Sunjay Kapur's wife, to submit a detailed list of all his movable as well as immovable assets. Let me in fact go across to my colleagues. Dipankar, for more on this. Now, Dipankar, this is a very high-profile matter that's now reached the doors of the Delhi High Court. What can you tell us about the specific prayer that's been lodged on the part of Karisma Kapur and Sunjay Kapur's children?
Well, yes, this has in fact now taken a legal turn where the children of Karisma Kapur has now approached the Delhi High Court and they are seeking share in the 30,000 crore estate of Sunjay Kapur. In the court, in fact, Mahesh Jethmalani, who was appearing for the children, had submitted to the court that there were shares, that they had shares in it, but he raised questions on the will that was formulated on of Sunjay Kapur, stating that this will was formulated under suspicious circumstances. They raised questions on the will and said that this will in fact is not registered. And opposing these submissions, the counsel for Priya Kapur said that they had in fact, the children had in fact received 1900 crore worth of assets from the Rani Kapoor Trust a few days before this suit was filed, and what more they want. This was the question that was raised before the court by the counsel for Priya Kapur. However, Mr. Mahesh Jethmalani, who was appearing for the children of Karisma Kapur, had submitted that they want share. They are the class 1 legal heir of Sunjay Kapur and they want share, and he also said that all the immovable and movable properties should be disclosed before the court, and this will should be read by the court and should be gone into by the court. On the other hand, Rani Kapoor also, who was appearing in this matter, her counsel submitted before the court that she also has not been disclosed anything about this will, and in fact the entire estate that is in question, the entire Rani Kapoor Trust, is in the name of Rani Kapoor, and still she has not yet received any part of it. She has not been disclosed about any other document. She has been repeatedly asking questions on the document, on the will, on all the transactions that are happening, but she has been kept in the dark. These were the submissions that the court heard before passing an order where it was stated that Priya Kapur should disclose all the movable and immovable asset of Sunjay Kapur as on the date of his bereavement, and has also sought a response to the plea that was filed by the children of Karisma Kapur and has listed the matter for further hearing in October.
Right, Dipankar, stay with us. The next hearing scheduled to take place next month. Let me in fact go across to my colleague Bhavtosh as well, who joins us on the phone line for more on this. Bhavtosh, the matter is now escalated and has now reached, of course, the Delhi High Court. But serious claims, of course, all of them in the realm of allegations, in that prayer that's been submitted to the court by the children of Sunjay Kapur as well as Karisma Kapur, including questions being raised over the authenticity of the will and also Priya Kapur's motives in the entire matter.
Yes, Siddharth, in fact, a riveting court drama that happened in the Delhi High Court today with top lawyers arguing or on behalf of Priya Kapur, or for that matter on behalf of Karisma Kapur. One of the interesting points that were raised was the fact that there was a will or a words document that was shared on a family WhatsApp group in which everyone saw a words document, which some construed it as a will and some others said that it was not actually a will. Mr. Nair, who appeared on behalf of Priya Kapur, he said that no will has been executed. A copy of will was in fact given, and then there was a question about a trust that is being controlled by the deceased mother, in this case Rani Kapoor, and the value of the trust is around 1900 crore rupees. But it is Mr. Nair's point that in fact is very interesting. He said that Karisma Kapoor's divorce with Sunjay Kapur was very acrimonious. In fact, for past 15 years they were not in touch with each other, and suddenly her appearance as far as the will is concerned is something that should be questioned. Remember, Sunjay Kapur had a very bitter falling out with Karisma Kapoor. In fact, at that point of time also, both of them went to the civil court in New Delhi, and then subsequently they went to the High Court. At that point of time, both Karisma Kapoor's children received some amount of fixed deposit. Now what Mr. Nair is saying on behalf of Priya Kapur is that sudden appearance of her at this point of time is something that needs to be questioned. She claims that there could be a fabrication of will, and that is the reason why she has now said that the High Court should intervene in this entire matter.
Okay, Bhavtosh, stay with us. Let me go back once again to Dipankar. Now, Dipankar, the suit currently, if you can just clarify for the benefit of our viewers, is it strictly in the civil domain? Because if indeed in the prayer, questions are being asked about the authenticity of the so-called will, and questions are being raised about the signatures in that particular will, and also of Priya Kapur's alleged motives as claimed by the petitioners in this matter, then does that suit remain strictly of a civil nature? That's a question that many are asking.
Well, as of now, the suit that has been filed by the children of Karisma Kapoor remains strictly in civil nature, because these were questions, these were submissions that were raised before the court. The court has yet to go through the entire will that is in question, that is the impugned will that is there. After going through the entire will, after hearing the submissions, if the court feels that there is something more, then it may go into the nature of a criminal complaint or a criminal case. But as of now, it is currently a civil nature, where the veracity of the will is being tested, where the children are asking for share in the estate of Sunjay Kapur, and further arguments are to be heard regarding whether the partition should be done of the entire estate or not, and how much and how this entire estate has to be distributed among the children. Remember, Rani Kapur was also stating, Rani Kapoor's counsel had also stated before the court that she has not also received anything about it. She has been kept in the dark regarding the entire will or any other document that is there. So one stake is of Rani Kapur as well in this matter. So we'll have to wait and watch as to what the court does. But as of now, the entire suit is in civil nature only.
All right, Dipankar as well as Bhavtosh, many thanks for your comprehensive updates on this. The next hearing in this particular matter scheduled for the month of October, which is next month. We'll wait and see as to how that transpires. It appears to be a long drawn-out legal battle as we speak. Let's turn our attention right now to a tragic incident in